Hello, my little star. How are you all? Today we will continue the chapter 3. This is the part 2 of chapter 3. Chapter 3 is Word Processor Word 2016. So let's get started. In part 1, we have discussed about the word processor, features of word processor, that is character formatting, layout setting, multimedia, spelling and grammar, thesaurus, autocorrect, header and footer, mailers and labels. If you have not seen the part 1, first go and take a look, then come and join in part 2 video. Now we will start with starting Word 2016, means how we will start MS Word 2016. So let's see the video. I will start it. Children, we have to go first MS Office videos, but here you can see on the desktop the icon is there of MS Word. Okay, I have opened the icon. Then see the blank document is here, and after clicking on it, it is open. This is the features and the look of MS Word. Now I'll show you how to start MS Word from the start menu. This is the start menu, and you can directly search from here, or it may be more easy if you write the MS Word in the search box and directly search from the search box. When I write MS Word, the MS Word icon appear and I have clicked on it. Now you can see it is open. We have to click on the blank document. Okay, so I have clicked on the blank document. Now this is the proper format of the MS Word. Now we can easily type anything here. I have typed a word. I'm increasing the size of this word. What is this? Yes, this is hello. Now this is the process how we will start the MS Word. Now we will move on components of Word 2016. It is also the important part because without knowing about the components, we cannot easily access the MS Word. So this is the image of component of MS Word. The first picture you have seen when you have started the MS Word, this is the image. Okay, at topmost quick access toolbar, then the blue area, ribbon and title bar. After that, the right hand corner, minimize, maximize and close button, that is window control button. After then, in downside, ribbon is there. Then in downside, tab selector, vertical ruler, vertical scroll bar, browser buttons. Children, I told you everything step by step. Just you see the different features and components where it located. Then we will move on each and every component and we will learn what is the working of the component. Okay, my first component is quick access toolbar. Quick, what is the meaning of quick? Fast. Okay, this bar is present at the top left part of the window. You can again see that picture. In that picture at the top left part, the quick access toolbar is there. It display the buttons of frequently used command. जो command हम बहुत जल्दी यूज़ करना है, बहुत ज़्यादा हमें यूज़ होता है. For that command, we use quick access toolbar. By default, save, undo, redo button are present on it. This is the image of quick access toolbar. आप चाहो तो पिछला इमेज जो मैंने कंपोनेंट का बताया था, आप easily उसको ओपन करके you can easily see it. And this is the image of quick access toolbar. The round arrow. Okay. Then the next arrow indicating at the left side and the box. Now my next topic is title bar. This is the second component. The image is also shown at the downside. जो blue bar दिख रहा है, that is title bar. This is the topmost bar and commonly present in almost all windows. जितने भी विंडोज़ हम ओपन करते हैं, all windows contains this title bar. Okay, आपके नाम का अपना एक टाइटल होता है, ठीक है, जो आपके नाम की स्पेसिफिक बताता है. जैसे आई एम पूजा साहू. साहू इज़ माई टाइटल. ओके, same this blue bar show about the document that which document is saved with which name. कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट हम इस पर क्या काम कर रहे हैं और वो किस नाम से शो हो रहा है, that is shown by the help of this title bar. Now the next component is ribbon. The wide ribbon which contains different features we can easily use in our document. Okay, this is the white ribbon. Ribbon is a panel just below the title bar. Title bar के ठीक नीचे ये पैनल होते हैं. It contains different tabs. अलग अलग तरह के टैब्स होते हैं, different features which help to work on the MS Word. Okay. Now next topic is work space. Work space का क्या मतलब है? वो एरिया जहाँ हम काम करते हो, that is work space. It is the main area in the center of the window where you can type or insert any object. जो white area होता है जिसमें हम write करते हैं, you can see the image also. This white area is called work space. ये जो white area है वो work space है. In this we can easily type anything, we can easily insert anything. जो area पे हम work करते हैं that is work space. Now my next topic is ruler. Ruler are used to set the top and bottom page margin. Ruler, you also use the ruler. You have used the scale. What is the use of the scale? Scale is used to just put the margin. हम margin देने के लिए, line draw करने के लिए scale का use करते हैं, ठीक? In MS Word, scale is performed as ruler. Ruler की तरह scale काम करता है. रूलर का वही काम है मार्जिन देना पेजेस को कि हमें पेज के कितने लेफ़्ट साइड कॉर्नर को छोड़ना है, कितने राइट साइड कॉर्नर को छोड़ना है और किस एरिया में लिखना है. दिस पार्ट वर्क विद द हेल्प ऑफ रूलर. वर्ड विंडो हैज़ टू रूलर्स. हॉरिजेंटल रूलर मीन्स it is used to set the left and right page margin. Okay, vertical ruler, it is used to set the top and bottom page margin. Now this is the image. The horizontal line show that is horizontal ruler and the vertical line show that this is vertical ruler. जो white आप scale देख रहे हो, एक scale 1 2 3 4 is written over there. This is called ruler. Okay, so that horizontal ruler shows the horizontal margin, left और right में पेज में कितनी margin छोड़नी है, area छोड़नी है. And the vertical ruler shows the vertical margin, means how much space we have to left at upside and downside of the page. Okay, so the next topic is status bar. Status बताना. The bar is present at the bottom of the window. On left side it displays the information like number of pages, word count, etc. Means it shows that how many pages were there, how many pages we have written or we are using, how many words we have written on the pages, and the zoom area of the page, means page, how much page size is there, how we have to do zoom in zoom out, page कितना बड़ा दिखना है, कितना छोटा दिख रहा है, everything. Okay, it show the status of the page document, status of the workspace which we are using. Children, if you have any doubt, you can pause the video and see the location where it is and what is written over here. Okay, for today only this much. Now we will take a recap what we have learned. We have learned two topics in this video. Okay, the first one is starting Word 2016. Okay, in that video I have shown how the process we can start the MS Word. Okay, and in second point we have learned different components of MS Word 2016 window. Now it's time to solve the worksheet. I hope you have understood the video. We will meet soon with the further part of chapter 3. Till then, solve the worksheet. Be healthy, be happy, and we will meet soon. Thank you.